We were working on evaluation of the lamp on the detection of SARS-CoV-2. In Ethiopia, for example, we tested in 10 labs, 10 community labs, including my lab, and we found that the test was very powerful. That means it's almost similar with RT-PCR, and it's even at lower CT values. This technology is more powerful than the real-time PCR.
Unlike PCR that requires a lot of training, this technique is very straightforward, particularly when it comes to the interpretation of the results. The results are interpreted in the sense of just a color change, which is easily detectable to anybody. Another aspect of this is that because we are just using the naked eye to read the color change, you do not require expensive equipments that are needed in a PCR.
So in my opinion, LAMP kit is a very good alternative to PCR in the diagnosis of COVID. It's complementary, but it should not be replaced. It should not replace the RT-PCR. In emergency cases where they just need immediate results for immediate action, LAMP kit comes in.
And using it like we start with the saliva, eliminating the need of extraction step would be really a great milestone in the way that this extraction was some of the limiting factor to really for the scale up of these technologies.
If that extraction something is removed so that the LAMP kit can be operated, can be used without extraction, without the need of biosafety cabinet, and yet maintain the safety that we all require for both the personnel and the community, that would be a milestone for the LAMP kits, so that it would be absolutely suitable for remote areas where there is no electricity.